And here we are, we're back. And what do we have? An entirely finished passenger side door. Back together with working windows. I just gave it a quick dusting because it got a little dirty while it was here, which is kind of common. I'll get the car vacuumed out a little bit. We'll be talking with the owner on how he wants to approach the next batch of, the next batch. This is such a beautiful car, and I hate the fact that it's like this, but we'll see what we can do to get it together and make it perfect again. But we got one hell of a start. We came in with no windows opening, and now they all open minus one because it needs an assembly to be power again. But yeah, we are good, people. We are good. Just a quickie update, and I will see you guys on the next round tomorrow.